Are you searching for the best floor heating systems? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best floor heating systems in 2025, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Infrared Graphene Underfloor Heating PTC Heating. Infrared graphene technology utilizes infrared graphene for efficient, healthy heating, emitting a 9.3-10.1 wavelength. Smart Wi-Fi thermostat integration seamlessly integrates with a smart Wi-Fi thermostat for easy, remote temperature control. Energy-efficient PTC heating. PTC heating film boasts self-regulating output power, ensuring energy savings. Versatile floor compatibility, suitable for various floors including composite, laminate, wood, marble, tiles, and carpet. Easy installation maintenance, designed for easy installation and maintenance, with noiseless, space-saving operation. Healthy and comfortable heating solution. With an infrared wavelength of 9.3-10.1 this heating film is designed to emit far infrared waves that are beneficial for human health. The absence of electromagnetic radiation makes it a healthier choice for your home. Moreover, the partial heating feature allows you to heat only the areas you need, which can significantly reduce your energy consumption. The easy-to-install and maintain design ensures a clean, noiseless, and maintenance-free operation, making it an ideal choice for those who value space-saving and a hassle-free heating experience.